Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, which is having different templates for research content preparation, and also it has different types of templates which will be useful for plagiarism detection, rewriting, etc. And also it will make a better content also. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on microgrid operation and control. So in this workshop we are going to model AC and DC microgrid. So in this DC microgrid you will be having PV and wind and DC, that is storage battery, as its input sources. So and then we are going to operate this microgrid with a grid connected mode and also standalone mode. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that iScribe AI. So here you can see that. So this is the dashboard of this iScribe AI. So you will be offered 2000 words for free and 20 images, 1000 characters and 5 minutes. So these are the important free options available in this iScribe. So let us see what are the important templates available in this particular AI tool. So just click on this templates, AI templates. So you will be having different options here. So these are the different categories of this AI template. So here you can see, so for blog titles, blog section, blog ideas, blog intros, blog conclusion, etc. So especially for contents, this one will be very useful for our research paper writing. So article generator, content rewriter, paragraph generator, talking points, pros and cons, summarize text, product description, startup name generator, product name generator, academic essay, creative stories, grammar checker, text extender, rewrite with words, tone changer, use a dictionary, that is dictionary next to terms and conditions. So these are the important options available for this content rewriter. So in this we will try this academic essay. So just to click on this academic essay template option. So in this you can select whatever the language you want. So here you can see these are the different languages available in this particular AI tool. So here you can see that. Next, here in this essay title, to give an essay title, so you can give a random title. So for example, I am going to give impact of renewable energy usage in power sector. So in this focus keywords you can give solar, wind, and then biogas, hydro, etc. So like that you can give whatever you want. So you can make this focus keywords also detailed. So accordingly it will generate an academic essay. So next one you can see that creativity. So here you can give low, average or medium. High, I am going to give average. So after tone of voice I am going to select it as professional. So number of results I am going to select it as 1. So and then maximum result length, so whatever you want you select. So I am going to give default 1 and then clicking generate text. So let us see how it will work out and how it will generate. So here you can see within seconds it is started to generate an academic essay. So a brief and detailed explanation is generated. So here you can see, starting from the impact of renewable energy usage in power sector. So here you can see the introduction of this essay. So this is the introduction. So after that, so it will give what are the benefits and challenges associated with that particular renewable energy usage. So after that it will give an conclusion. So this is how you can generate an academic essay. So especially this template will be helpful for students and budding researchers. So you can make an academic essay using this template. So next, moving on to our next templates. So other than that, in this contents you will be having this kind of templates. So we have already explored many of the templates in the same like templates in different AI tools. So here you can see the important option called pros and cons. So you can use this wisely to generate a better content that you can get, especially those who are doing literature review. So you can use this option pros and cons. So you can give any topic. So for the topic it will generate the merits and demerits. Okay, so you can make this pros and cons usage wisely. So after that you can see that So these are the different options related with marketing, etc. So here you can see related with social media, that is Instagram captions, Instagram hashtag generator, etc. So these are the different options are available. So next you can see the song lyrics, and then you can see apps and SMS notifications. So these are the important AI templates available in this iScribe. So here you can see in documents, so just click on the documents, you can see all documents, all images, all voiceovers. So you can edit any documents here also. Next, apart from this, you will be having different options like AI voiceover, AI speech to text, etc. So this one is very important for us, that is AI web chat. So just click on that AI web chat. So here you can copy and paste any URL of the content you have come across in internet. So after that, what you can do is you can just paste and analyze that content. For example, so I am going to copy this URL. So go to iScribe here, paste and click on analyze the content. So here you can see that our link is generated. So you can ask about explain about the website. So just to click on explain about the website. So here you can see that the website is called LMS Solution Research Support, and it's a platform for designed to assist students and researchers in their academic endeavors. It offers a variety of AI powered tools, techniques such as summarization, grammar correction, paraphrasing, literature review, MATLAB code generation, etc. So this is how you can convert an URL into a explanation, and you in that particular link you can ask any questions you want. AI will analyze that particular link associated with that particular website, and then it will generate answers for you. So this is how you can analyze an URL. So next option is that a chat PDF. So this is like a tool where you can upload your PDF. So here you can see that there are different options are available. You can upload that is Word, PDF, and you can see even text file. So you can upload, you can chat with PDF. So here you can see this is the PDF file upload option. So you can make use of this PDF file upload option, especially those who are making literature review. So you can use this PDF file upload option and chat with your reference paper. So this is how you can use this template. So after that you can see that chat image also. So you can chat with the image also. So you can upload your image and you can start a new conversation with that image, and then you can ask whatever the doubts you want related with that particular image. Then AI will analyze that image and it will answer for you. So this is how you can make an that is chat image. So after that you can see AI chat. So as like chatbot, there are many options are available in this chatbot. So often we use PhD Lupin. So that is our academician chatbot. So go to education. So here you can see this is the chatbot available, PhD Lupin. So it's an academic chatbot. It will generate better answers when compared with all other chatbots. So every chatbot is trained for their particular applications and needs. So here as far as research paper writing is concerned, so you can use this academician chatbot to generate a better content for your research paper. So this is how you can use this iScribe AI. So you will be given 2000 words for free. Go on and explore with the 2000 words. So if it works out well, you can go for subscription option. So here you can see these are the subscription options are available. So just click on the subscription. So you for free you can try up to 2500 words per month. So per month you can get 2500 words for free. So if you want 1 lakh words, so you have to go for subscription option on $14. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple in this iScribe. So hope this video brings an aware about this iScribe. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.